This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicHutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode.
There came a time now when Dr. Paul and Rhythm Kings had some differences. Mm-hmm. Up to today, I don't know what happened. You know, he didn't tell us. And he decided now to leave Rhythm Kings and came to Rough Kutt at the time.
Okay.
The great Dr. Paul and bass. Because remember, you know, those times you had Sagittarius and Rhythm Kings. Mm-hmm. When you look at the concerts, if it's not Sagittarius backing the show, it's Rhythm Kings.
Okay.
You know? And Dr. Paul on bass for Rhythm Kings, Derek Barnett on bass for Saji. And, you know, Dr. Paul now coming over to Rough Kutt now. And that's when I say to myself, well, the great Dr. Paul leaving Rhythm Kings and coming over to Rough Kutt. I know this is where my time with Rough Kutt comes to an end, because this great musician for me as a little backyard drummer, me never can keep up to this. I'm going to want one of the best drummer for your play. Dr. Paul, I go on one of the best drummer for your play. And anyway, he came over and we started rehearsing. At this point now, the rehearsal moved because him and Rhythm King fell out. So the rehearsal moved from there and we get this little building in New Kingston where we started rehearsing. And I realized I rehearsed and I didn't see any drummer came in. So I realized, wait, I mean I play him and I said, Dr. Paul, I driving a drummer. Anyway, what happened, Dr. Paul's respect in the business was so big at the time that all the work that Rhythm Kings we're supposed to be getting now fell on Rough Kutt. So I found myself started playing for Gregory, Isaac, Ninja Man. We started doing the barbecues, Walmart's barbecue, Campion barbecue, you name the high school. Rough Kutt is doing those barbecues. And I remember Ninja Man kept on saying, oh, my band this. Because the first concert I did with Ninja Man was Campion Barbecue. And then we did Walmart's Barbecue. And trust me, so we started doing most of Ninja Man work, concerts. He kept a show for himself at Club Inferno. We were the backing band. So we were doing a lot of shows with Ninja Man. Playing for Ninja Man was really an experience, you know. And
why would you say that? What did you encounter with Ninja Man when you're just getting into the business now? How was it actually playing for somebody like him? Because you know Ninja Man is very spontaneous on stage.
Yeah. Remember, you know, that particular time it was Ninja Shabba. Shabba. You remember that rivalry?
Of course.
And yeah, so it was, trust me, it was amazing, man. The response from the crowd at the time, and you know. But to be honest, we were doing most of our concerts was with Gregory and Ninja Man, Gregory Isaac. And I remember the first time leaving Jamaica. We went to Antigua with Flower Gun, Red Dragon, Sanchez, and the show didn't happen the night. And I remember Dr. Paul was prepping me up to go and sing. Because Dr. Paul, we wanted to do the show so that we can collect our money and come home, you know? So, to be honest, I could have done a little singing at the time, you know? So we were practicing and playing and singing. And anyway, the show didn't happen. So we came back to Jamaica and The next show I did was a show in Martinique with Gregory Isaac.
Okay.
Oh my. Sold out crowd. Gregory tore down the place, man. And Gregory started, my band, you know. Dr. Paul. My band this now. And, you know, so we were there. I remember now, if you remember the clash with Shabba and Ninja Man at Sting.
At Sting.
Remember now, you know, at this point now, you know, we are Ninja Man's band, you know. Ninja did the clash at Sting, which was backed by Sagittarius Band.
Okay.
And you know, you know what happened at that clash, you know. So there was this show now because remember Shabba Ranks was down now, you know.
Yeah.
Based on what happened, you remember what happened. Shabba's spirit was down, so we had this show now it's called Reggae Ram Jam.
Yes.
It kept in Clarendon, Denby Showground. This is my first big show now.
Okay.
We may go back a lot of artists now. Ninja Man, Shabba Ranks, Gregory Isaac, Peter Metro, Tiger, you name the artists at that time. We were the backing band on that show. The show was wonderful. Richie Stevens was on the show.
Okay.
Oh God, man. Everybody just tear down the place. So remember, Shabba Ranks came to Dr. Paul and backstage and said, if a Ninja Man band this,
yeah,
and then play for me, so. I want the band here, you know.
Okay. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.